Welcome back to Nifty Garage. My name is Sheldon. Today we have a 370Z and I'm going to teach you how to remove your exterior door handles out of your car. You can replace, or you can remove and replace the door handles without taking the whole door apart on the inside. I've done it before. It is kind of a pain to do. And the reason that it is a pain because there's a plug in here for, it's the button. If you look on the handle out here, there's a button that you can touch to lock and unlock the car. That obviously has to have a wire. So it is doable, but if you have the time and you see where your window's at, just pop your window out, and then that allows you to get to the plug. So I'm holding it's a blue plug, and there's the back side of it that was going through. You press it and you unplug it. Just know that if you're taking your door handle out, there is a plug back there. Alright, so that is unplugged. Now we are going to pull there's like these little rubber grommets that seal the door. Get those out. Try not to destroy those if you're replacing your door handle. And then again, I get a magnetic 10. Send that in there. And when you have a magnetic 10, you don't have to worry about it dropping. Alright, so now that we have the two 10s out that are super easily seen, you're going to look in here. There's going to be another 10 or a Phillips. I can't reach it with a 10. So I'm doing it with a Phillips. And luckily I have the door gutted because there would have been a bolt at the bottom of the door. And once we do that, we should be able to pull the door handle out. So now that we have the door handle out, we can see there's a plug in here still, and the actuator is right here. So just get your pick, kind of push on the back side of the actuator there. This is gonna come out from there. And then the harness is actually clipped on the inside still. Alright, now that we have the actuator undone, you can see that there is a second plastic clip right there holding the wire on. So I'm going to get my clip remover and pop that out. And then the door handle should be free. Alright, driver door handle is out. Let's go do the passenger. Alright, so now we are on the passenger side. You can tell. Locate this little clip right here. It's next to the rubber stopper on the door. Push one side like that. It's going to want to move like so. So you may be able to use your finger just to squeeze it down. I blew my finger out, as you can tell, the band-aid on it. So oh, there we go. So you can just press down, pop that loose like that. And now that that is loose, we'll pull these grommets out, take those 10s out. All right, so we got the two covers off. We're gonna grab the two 10s that are in here with my magnetic socket. Look at me, so fancy. All right, so now the door handle should come out. Like so. Same thing like the driver's side. We need to pop the actuator out of here. And there is the that last clip that is holding that wire on. Alright, so just like that. And that is how you remove your door handles off of your 370Z. As you can tell, driver and passenger do have a little bit of a difference, so there you go.